Something's telling me I can't put it off any longer. Time to do maintenance on the bamboos. Well, Saturday morning. Got 4 of the bamboos that need to be maintained today. Had a couple of errors off this one particular unit. It was a Z-axis lead screw, needed to be lubricated. So we'll have to take the back off and get to the back lead screw, and then we'll just do the fronts. Generally, after about 1,000 hours, the particulates from the filament, dust, and just anything else that flies by just piles up in the grease and just gets coated up in there. It's not that it's wore the grease out, it's just that the grease is dirty. So here I'm using an alcohol, 99% alcohol, just to clean off the old. I won't be able to get all of it off. It's unless you sit there with a Q-tip or something like that and just run it up and down the screw. But right now we'll just take the back off and okay, let's see if we can speed this up. Just a heads up, the 2 screws that hold the poop chute and the 1 screw above the power switch are all threaded for plastic. So you want to make sure that they go back into their original holes. I'm really not happy with Bambu's lubricant grease. The white grease that they sell you is $4 for a few packs, and you can pick up a whole tube of Lucas white grease for about $5 on Amazon. And here I'm using a microfiber cloth just to clean the carbon rods. I'm only using alcohol to do that. You don't use any oil or grease on these 2 rods. To be honest with you, the maintenance is very minimal on these units. I mean, it's not like you're changing oil in a car. Uh, it's a simple cleaning, just kind of changing off the grease, getting the dirty stuff off of it, um, making sure your belts are clean, and that's about it. Morpheus is ready to go back to work. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope this helps. Have any questions, you're welcome to leave them down in the comments. If you did make it to the end here and found it informative or funny, then you owe me a like. But until next week, we'll be learning Fusion 360. I've got a couple parts I'm almost done with, and I'm ready to get those up for sale. Thanks again for the watch, and have a great day.